Hey, welcome back. Exciting video for you guys like my car camping stuff and everything like that. So I have a Hyundai Tucson, a 2020, and it has a bare roof. No rails, no raised roof options or anything like that. And I've always wanted a roof rack for skis and hauling camping gear and stuff. I didn't know what my options were. I was thinking about getting something permanently installed, but first I'm going to try a bare roof option. So got this package in here from Yakima, and we're going to test it out. I'm going to unbox it and then install it in the car and show you guys what it's like, see how sturdy it feels and stuff like that. So let's get it unboxed. Alright, so I got the points that are going to mount onto the car, crossbars, and a ski rack. Right, and this is everything. So we got 4 of the base towers that'll go onto the car, and then this here is the clip that holds into the door frame, basically, from what I understand, since I don't have any roof racks. So we got that set of those. We got some bars that'll go over the vehicle, and then to attach the bars have a ski rack. That's the FatCat EVO 6. So I'm going to install this tomorrow, actually, because it's dark out right now. So I'll check back in with you tomorrow. All right, here at my Tucson, got it installed. As you can see, it just clips into the door like this. I kind of wish I had real roof rails, but this is the best that I can do with what I got. And it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. I've driven it with it already, so feeling pretty good about it. Now we just gotta get the ski rack installed. The mounts are all installed. Now we just gotta throw some skis up there and test it out. Well, that's that. I know it's a different kind of video from what I normally do, but I was always curious what options were for a roof rack when I didn't have roof rails, so figured I'd show it to you. Everything seems sturdy. If you see it, they don't move. Like, it's all in there, so that'll make transport of my skis a lot easier. I'll probably give an update later on the road after I've used it for a few months, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.